welcome to the video, and thank you guys so much for watching. And thank you for joining me today to see what I got in my Ipsy Glam Bag Plus and my regular glam bag for October of 2020. Now this is not just my normal regular old glam bag and plus box, but this is actually my Ipsy PR. Can you believe that I'm actually sitting down here filming a video with Ipsy PR? I never thought I would see the day. I never thought the day would ever happen, ever. But hey, they were like, here you go. So I was like, okay. So I'm really excited. I am kind of confused, so I'm not like 100% sure what is what, because everything came in this box. So I'm just gonna open it all and show you guys instead of doing like a Ipsy Glam Bag and a Glam Bag Plus. We'll just do it together, and yeah, and then I'll show you the extra things that Ipsy sent that you will not be receiving. Just know that you're not gonna get some of these items. So I just felt like I would show you what I got extra in here for being on the PR team, like, or getting PR. I don't know what it's called. It's so strange to me. Anyways, oh, I'm so excited to get in here because there's some stuff in here. I'm so excited. Okay. Anyways, if you guys are into these types of videos, then please give this video a big thumbs up. Don't forget to subscribe. It would mean so much, especially because I've noticed in my analytics that over half of my viewers are not even subscribed. So if you're already a viewer, if you would, do me the honor and hit the subscribe button. It would melt my heart. And let's go ahead and get into the video. Also, I want to call this a part 1 because I'm going to start actually doing full face try-ons with all of the products that I do receive in these glam bags and glam bag pluses. So this is going to be considered a part 1. This is going to be the unbagging, unboxing. You can see what I have gotten, and then I will do a part 2, which I will film tomorrow, where I actually try out all the products that I will receive, so I can do a 1 for 1, you know what I mean? But like a 2 for 2, because it would just make this video way too long. So stay tuned for a part 2 where I actually try out all the products and give you my thoughts and opinions there. So I just have to say thank you so much to Ipsy for even considering me, for allowing me to be a part of the Ipsy Studios community. Like, that's insane. Thank you guys so much. I truly appreciate it. So let's go ahead and see what all came in here. And I'm gonna start by showing you my regular glam bag because that's on top, and then I will save these like insane extras for last because it's literally insane that I was like, whoa. So okay, so I got the little card here that says welcome to Ipsy Open Studios, and then all the information that I need, and it'll give me information on the website for me to go and look, which I went ahead and looked, but I didn't see anything, so I don't know. But here's my regular Ipsy Glam Bag, and I think this is supposed to go with it, but I'm not sure. But anyways, let's get into it. Here's the bag. First off, bag is so cute. It says Your Magic on the back, and I am so excited about this bag. It's like the cutest bag I've ever seen, and I love the little charm it has. Let's get into it. I saw, I forgot her name. You guys talk about her all the time. Abidabs. I don't remember what, I don't know, but I watched her video the other day because I was like, oh, she got PR, because somebody told me she got PR, so I watched her unbagging the other day, and she got a full-sized product in hers. Now I don't know if you're gonna get a full-size product in yours. I don't know if it's because, like, you know, we're on the PR list now, but this is a full-sized Sunday Riley product, which kind of makes me feel really like guilty and sad that if this isn't like something that could possibly come in your regular glam bag and only we're getting it, I feel really bad about it. But this is the Sunday Riley High Dose Retinoid Serum. Advanced Strength Retinoid Serum delivers a 6.5% power blend of stabilized retinoids and retinoid-like botanical extracts into our skin. I'm actually really excited to try this. Oh, this is like a bright neon pastel color. Smells really good, so I am excited to give that a whirl for a video for sure. And I just dropped everything. Okay, next up we have a little mini Smashbox Oil and Shine Control Primer. Excited to give this a little try for a video. So excited. Then we have the Barogio Farewell Frizz. It's a milk leave-in conditioning spray. Hopefully this is okay because, like I said in a past video recently, my hair is still recovering from that hair mask that I got in a past subscription box. That is not the subscription box. So, Ooh, it smells really good. Maybe this can fix my hair because my hair is not into it right now. Last thing in the bag. So yes, the brush is part of the bag. This is a smoky eye mascara from Bobbi Brown. Great. Bobbi Brown mascara right here. I will open the wand because I will be trying this mascara out. So, oh, this is a nice wand. So I'm really excited to try this mascara out tomorrow when I film my get ready video. Ooh, so excited. And then we have a brush here from Firma Beauty, and this looks like a really beautiful brush. Yes, and it's so soft. Here's the brush here. Be used for contouring, highlight. It could be used for anything you really want it to be. It's a 103 brush, so that's exciting. Now let's get into what I got in my plus, which is everything else other than the things that Ipsy said that was extra, which we will save for the end of the video. Let me get the bag out first. Here is the bag. Look how cute it is. Your magic. I was actually reading through the comments on someone's video, and I think it was the same one, and people were suggesting that these bags here, you could use it as like a book cover, like a duster. So if you're like on a plane, or if you're like in the car or something, you don't want your book to get like dirty, disgusting, accidentally spill something if you're in the car, you can put it in these little bags, and it could be like a book duster like cover type thing for when you're like traveling around with your book, which I thought was actually really smart. So I wanted to suggest that because I won't travel with my books, but that's a good idea for somebody that does. Yeah, 5 more products. Okay, so the first item that I got in here is the Laboratories Florga. You guys know I don't know how to pronounce this. The Oxygen Glow Eyes. So this is exciting. It says everything is in Spanish or French or something. I think it's French. It's French. Are you guys like super excited for me to like try on all of these products for a video? Okay, so it is in a really small tube, but if it's just for your eyes, this is gonna last a really long time. I don't know exactly how to apply it because the directions are in, I think this is Spanish. Para el contorno de hoyo super eyes illuminator. Oh man, okay. I'll just Google it. But I know that's just for your eyes. Next up, I got the Ciate London Extraordinary Translucent Powder. I actually already have this, so when I do try it out for the video, I'll just use what I already have. Yeah, I have this already, and I really like this powder. I remember I was just like not into the powder, and then I actually used it, and it's a really good powder. So I'm actually not that upset to have it again. Like, I have a backup now, which is great. Next, I have this Illuminati Quad Palette. Let me get it out of the bubble wrap for you. Excited to have a little eyeshadow look with this, which I will do everything like separate because there's another palette in here. So I'll do like these eyeshadow looks separately, and then I will do them together. Does that make any sense? So here is the quad. Very beautiful colors. So excited to play around with this for sure. Next up I have, and this is hilarious, I have the Huda Beauty Mauve palette here. This is now my 4th one that I've received from Ipsy, and I've never once tried this palette. So now out of 4 palettes, I think it is time to finally try this palette out. Maybe I just keep getting it because they want me to use it. So here we go. Here is the mauve palette, which is a beautiful palette. I don't know why I've never like wanted to use it, but guess what, guys? I'm finally gonna use it. Ipsy is making me. No, they're not. They're really not. I just want to. And then the last item in the box is something that I've also gotten now 3 times. I don't know if it's like which one it is, but these are the LaRousse brushes, which are like over $100. So now, guess what? I have them again, and I'm going to use them. I'm gonna keep them. Let's open up this nice fancy packaging, and I have the set of face brushes. So I actually haven't received the face brushes yet. I received the eyeshadow brushes, so this is a new one to me for sure. And these are actually like really soft, like really soft. So I'm really excited to give this one a go, especially this one's shaped so odd, probably for like contouring. Yeah, I think that's probably what it is. Okay, so what I thought, and I had said in a spoiler video, is I wonder if Ipsy's going to go by my beauty profile and see like the items that I've already have had in the past. So far, I don't think they do. I think they just did it at random. Maybe everybody gets the same thing. I'm not sure. Since I did already get 2 items that I had in the past. But anyways, that's okay because a lot of items I probably haven't even tried because I just got rid of them. Anyways, so let's show you what Ipsy gave me extra. So Ipsy gave me this sleepy mask, which, fun fact, I actually sleep with one every night. So it's not like this is one of those items that would just sit around and not get used, because I literally use one of these to sleep every night. I cannot do any light. Oh, and it's really tight. Not like tight, but like enough where light won't come in. So that's exciting. I'm excited about that. And then this other one, when I opened this box, I was about to like crap my pants. I was like, oh my god. I got a candle. It says, Ipsy, your magic. It literally smells like a man, like a hot, sweaty man, but like in a good way. It just smells so good. It smells so good. That is so exciting to have this. Ipsy, thank you so much. I cannot even wait. But yeah, this is everything that I got. Let me know what you got down below. I would love to hear it. And I cannot wait to go through and see if all these products are like products that are supposed to be coming in October, or if they just threw some of these products at us, because I don't remember some of these products coming in October. So anyways, thank you guys so much for being here and watching. I'm just so excited. I can't believe that this is where I'm at right now. But anyways, yeah, thoughts and opinions down below. Stay tuned for the whole try-on video of me trying everything and filming it. And I will see you guys in my next one. Bye!